Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. No pirating, no credit cards involved. A lot of you have been asking how I pulled this off, and today I'll reveal the exact method. It's completely legitimate, easy, and doesn't involve anything sketchy. So, let's get right into it. Head over to rewardhorizon.com. This platform lets you earn free money by completing simple tasks. Whether it's installing an app, playing a game, or filling out a quick survey, you'll be rewarded generously, and it only takes a few minutes. Plus, withdrawals are instant, so you can spend your earnings however you want. I've personally tested this site for a long time and checked reviews from others. It really works. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. Click Get Started, and a task window will pop up for you. The page says Complete Tasks and Receive Your Money. After completing 3 tasks, you will receive payment depending on which offers you have completed. The more demanding offer, the more you will earn. Earn up to $500 per day just for completing tasks. Each offer contains a description of exactly what needs to be done, and it must be done accurately and correctly for us to be credited. The offers vary according to our system, country, or time. Each of these offers is very simple, and as I mentioned, will only take a few minutes to complete. To start an offer, click on it, read the description of what to do, and click Continue. We will be moved to the place where we have to execute the task. This is usually the App Store or Google Play, so it is completely safe. After completing the offer, return to the page and do another offer. When you have finished the offers, you will be informed that you have to specify where the site will pay out the money. I withdraw money to PayPal, and I will show you a screenshot of my withdrawals from this site, and as you can see, it is really great money and everything is of course legit. You can of course spend the money you earn on whatever you want. I will be spending it today on Canva Pro. So people, go to the site, rewardhorizon.com, invite your friends, and earn really nice money. I wish you the best of luck. If you already know this site and make money on it, feel free to write in the comments and share your experience. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you and see you in my next video.